Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, plus, minus, multiplication, and we have to solve this quiz using formulas and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is -2, B is -4, C is -6 and D is -8. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication or multiplication and division. What you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. But in our expression, we do not have any bracket or parenthesis. So we can skip this step right now. Now move forward for exponent part or order of operation. So according to the rules, we have any exponent part or order of operation. So what we have to do, we have to solve that part after the bracket. No, we do not have any number which has the power, so we can skip this step as well. Now, third rule, we have to solve the division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So for this, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 6 minus 4 minus 16 divided by 8. So here we have to solve this one. 16 divided by 8. So we write like 2 multiply by 2. And here we have to give the reference 16 divided by 8 equals 2. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming. So now this time we have this multiplication. So we have to solve this one. Now 6 minus 4 minus 2 to the 4 here. And here we have to give the reference like 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. Now move forward. We have solved the multiplication and division, or you can say them division and multiplication. Now we have to go for addition and subtraction. Now we have to go left to right this expression and find out now addition and subtraction. So first of all, we have this number which is 6 minus 4. We have to solve this one. It becomes like 2 and minus 4. And here we have to give the reference 6 minus 4 equals 2. Now, again, we have to go left to right, or you can say we have only two terms which are basically subtraction sign with each other. So we have to subtract minus 4 and it becomes 2, but not 2, it becomes minus 2 because we have the minus sign with the larger number. So that's why we have to write the minus 2. So the answer of the given expression is minus 2, which is A part. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.